In this video, you'll see how to quickly and easily generate a lab schedule using Pebble Geo. First, load your in-situ data into Pebble Geo. For this demo, I'm using a sample AGS file, but you can also use the Excel Pebble Geo template input. Select the locations from the panel on the left that you want to include in the lab schedule. If you want to include them all, simply leave them all unchecked. Let's do that for this demo. To create the lab schedule, head to the menu in the top right and click on Generate Lab Schedule. You'll be prompted to choose a file location and a file name and hit Save. The lab schedule should generate in a few seconds, and Pebble Geo will attempt to open it in Excel. If it doesn't automatically open, simply browse to the folder you chose when exporting. You can see here it's a standard test matrix pro forma based on the Yellow Book standard for the UK. Pebble Geo has pre-populated into the main sheet area, starting row 8, all of the sample information for the locations that you chose to include in the export. Note that the location ID column is ordered based on the order they appear in the original dataset, and then within that they'll be sorted by depth and sample ref for convenience. With the lab schedule generated, proceed as usual with the lab schedule. Populate the metadata in the top 3 rows, date issued, etc., engineer, contact information, and so on. And then proceed to use the test matrix, marking an X for each sample test required, as normal. We've included space for additional information, so you could put hazard information in here, for example. And you can see the tests in the matrix are grouped by type, following the Yellow Book pro forma. Sample IDs are appended at the end, should you need them. And we've also got 5 columns here for additional tests. So if you have specialist tests you need, you can enter them in there. But the whole template is editable anyway, so you can invent your own tests into here if you have specific requirements.